In this tutorial, let's see how to create a point feature class in ArcMap. First, we have to set up our working folder. Click on the catalog icon and connect the working folder from here. If you can't see the icon, right-click on the menu bar and activate the standard tool panel first. This is a pre-created shapefile. I'm dragging it just to explain. Now let's see how to create a point feature class. Before creating a featured class, we have to create a database. Okay, now right-click on the created database. And under the new, select feature class. On the next page, we have to select a coordinate system for our data. In my case, I'm selecting the coordinate system the same as the added shapefile. Then click on Next. Here we can add new attributes, or we can do it later. Here you can see the created point featured class. Okay, to add point data to this layer, first, we have to start editing. To do that, first, activate the Edit tool panel from here. Then start Edit. Okay, now click on this Create Feature icon. Select the layer first and then you can see the relevant construction tools bottom of the panel. Select the point tool, and you can input the point manually like this. Let's see how to create a line feature class from the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.